This is going to blow your mind. Say goodbye to chaos and hello to productivity with the 5S Inspection Template Bundle. Introducing the ultimate 5S Inspection Template Bundle. Whether you're a seasoned pro or new to 5S, this bundle is your ticket to a perfectly organized, efficient workspace. The 5S methodology, sort, set in order, shine, standardize, and sustain, keeps your environment clean and productive. And our bundle? It simplifies your inspections and ensures consistent workplace audits. You'll get templates for remarkable 2 ready-to-print PDFs, and even an Excel version with built-in scoring. Versatility at its finest. Why does this matter? Implementing 5S can transform your business. Reduce waste, improve safety, boost productivity, and standardize processes. Our templates make it easy. Customize it, perform regular audits, analyze results, and share with your team. It's that simple. So are you ready to take control? Grab your 5S Inspection Template Bundle now and watch your workplace thrive. Click the link below to get started.